Hi guys, this is Sagar from SG Creation, and I'm come with another great tutorial. Actually, in the previous video, we set up some kind of aim offset, and we already set up pawn sensing to sensor player if we are going to front of our player. Our AI detect us and try to hunt us and shoot us. So right now our AI little bit silly, and what we are going to make first, I show you what we are going to make, what we are going to add. So let's little bit make this big. Wait a minute, I have to increase the size. 980 by 1080, 920, sorry, 920 by 1080. Okay, this is good. So what we are going to make today, actually in the last video our AI can't detect us, and right now he detect us, and he try to shoot us. But if I'm behind the wall, he detect, he stop shooting, and he try to find our location, and he try to shoot us when he sees us. And it's a little bit tricky because pawn sensing didn't have any component. If you are behind the wall, he didn't sense you, you can't toggle it, but you can do this by adding AI perception, and that is a little bit advanced session, so we are not going into that. But what I do is I make some kind of system so our AI can detect us and find our location. And if we are behind the wall, he stops shooting us, and he try to chase and find us, find our location. And when he sees us, and he try to hunt us down. So let again recap. So if I'm here, and I know he can't see me, but if he sees us, so now we are break his line of sight. Do you see, he give one trace and he find us. And now I'm here, and he try to come into my location, and he try to find us and stop shooting, because he traces us. So when he sees us, and he try to shoot us, and his shooting is little bit not constant. Sometime he shoot twice, sometime he shoot one time and delay some shoot on shoot. So I just off this player health, because if I on his health, he will quickly die. So let's check this. Okay. So if I shoot him, he shoot us. Oh man, we are quickly die. So yeah, now he's back to his back his work. So today we are going to set up this vision kind of thing. We give the vision, he scan our player, and after that we will setting this, we are setting this enemy scan over here. And there is some check, and we change his hunting location, and we little bit change our firing system also. He stop firing when he when we are not in his vision. So we create everything. So right now I just close this. This is test project, so we just create this from scratch. So right now in the old thing we don't have anything. So first we need to arrow, and I don't want to waste my time to make this, setting on his hand. So what I do is leave this arrow in this, and everything I set up, I delete this, I delete everything. Okay, code is deleting, but I just leave this. So what you can do is, how you need to just add a arrow, add arrow component, and parent with your mesh, and you have to parent with the right hand socket. So when you parent with the right hand socket, you're let me show you very quick. Okay, if I select this arrow is here. So when I parent, sorry, a little bit someone calling me. I off my phone. So when you parent this with your mesh, you have to select this hand, right hand. So right hand. So now you jump over in a wrong direction. So what you can do is you just need to reset everything. So now you can tweak this, rotate this, but you need to select your character, and just over here I use animation assets. So what you can use, you just go and rifle ideal, I choose rifle ideal. So this animation play. So what you just stop it, or into here real time, you need to untick this, so it will stay on same pose. So you need to just rotate your arrow and try to make very straight, try to make it straight. And when you happy with your setting like this, so just use that and rename this arrow if you want. Right now I already created this, I name it vision direction arrow. So compile and save, and after the when your work is done, you just need to change it animation blueprint. It will automatically take you back with this. So now your arrow is attached with your, so you can re-enable real time and go into here. So first we need to make a event, custom event, and here scan enemy, or you can name it whatever you like. I name it scan enemy or trace enemy, vision check, you can whatever you want. So here we need a line trace by channel, and plug this, and we need this vision arrow, and after this we need get wall location. So get wall location, this is our starting point, and we need plus vector. Okay, so here we need a forward vector, sorry what I'm doing, forward vector. Okay, so here not forward vector is this, and we need just multiply float by float. So you can give how long this line trace, so you can just put the value, and and here we need a duration. We need to check how far our line trace go. Okay, so after this we need to compile and we need to break hit result. So whenever our line trace is hit by something, so we just need to check whether is hit actor is does implement take damage. Okay, so if hit actor is implementing take damage interface, because as you know that if you follow my previous video, so we implement one take damage, I take damage. Okay, so just plug this. So if our if our character implement this, so we can check over here if our hit actor detect this, and what we are going to do. And as you know that if you put lots of AIs, so sometime maybe your hit actor detect yourself, because this actor also have same kind of interface. If you check over here, take damage, so what we can do is just ignore ourselves. So make array, and here we need to ignore self, so our trace doesn't detect us, that does not detect self. So here you need to complex duration. Okay, compile, save, don't forget to save, sometime a Unreal crash, so remember this. So after this we need cast our actor, cast to SG player. So I don't know what's your player, you just need to cast your player. This is my player. Okay, after this when we cast our player, if does implement is true, we need one boolean, name active. Okay, so this active our vision, this will active our vision. If we detect our hit is implementing by this, and that actor is SG our player, so we need to active. And if it is not, it does implement this take damage interface not, so we just need to off this. I think you understand, and of course my English is not so good, so hope you understand what I'm talking about. So set like this, simple, not so complex. So now we need to determine how we can fire this continuously, because this scan check in every microseconds or some. So we need to call this function into our AI system, AI controller, so where we set everything, firing and every kind of stuff. So here we need just pull it, we need to before, we need scan enemy before hunt, scan enemy. So as you know that we take a reference into here, so this is our character, master BP character. We can call this into here through this reference. So we just first we need to call this after we, so as you know that whenever he detect enemy found, when enemy found, it automatically start this into here. This is an enemy check. Every time it is looping 0.3 seconds, so our AI can scan in every 0.3 microseconds, so it will fire this and this both. simultaneously. So here we need some changes. Just unplug this and a little bit, make some room, put a branch, and uh, here we need AI reference. Here we need call get active. We need to check if our vision is active or not. If we found enemy by our vision check or not, like if we hit a wall, then he go into false. So we need to check it over here every time. So if it is true, if active is true, we go to fire. If it is not, we go to stop fire. So stop firing, we need some changes over here. So first we need a gate. Press G and press left mouse button. So first you need to sequence just like this. First we need to open our gate, and then one is to go into enter. Do like this. Don't do one into open gate and 0 into enter gate. So just do the same. Right click and straighting. So after this we just need to copy, and here stop fire. So this is stop fire, going to close the door, close the gate. Okay, and here we need one sequence also. So one to go over here, and other is go to retriggable delay. Okay, so here we need some random float in range, and we just need to control C control V. We need two. So what we can do is control C control V. We just quickly make some trick, put like this. Okay, so it it randomizes our firing system. So minimum is 1, maximum is 2 is okay, I think 0.2, and maximum is 0.3. okay, and maximum is minimum 0.7, and here 1.3. so it determine a delay of retriggable. So here we need one check also, because when I test him, something bugs, give me a bug. So whenever you die, your AI die, so suddenly it's looping this. So we just need to check it when our AI is die. We need to off retriggable also. So here we need to just is dead, I think. Yeah, get is death. If he's so true, you just put not. If our AI not die, then we can go in, enter this get again. Just make a little bit room so you can understand what's going on, like this. And if it is false, our AI is dead, so it won't fire anymore or anything. So here we need to, whenever this is not active and it is false, we need to stop Stop, sorry, today I'm totally wrong spell. My mind is somewhere else actually. So okay, and yeah, that's it. And if it is fail, you can just do this, but live like this. Yeah, it's okay. And here one thing, actually we need one variable called radius, and you just set 1600. You just need to make one variable, right? You can just right click and promote to variable, name it radius. If you want, you can name it whatever you like, but I call it radius and put over here. So what I going to do, just put this radius into here. So when he stop firing, for example, if we are behind the wall, so here we continuously on hunt, we we check where is our player is. So he continuously find us. So what we can do, we just decrease the radius. So we just put over here is 100, and into here, if he sees us, we just put it like 1600. So it automatically set 1600 to 100. So it will automatically set the radius. So if your vision is false, so it will come close to you. Actually he will find your location. He try to find your location where your player is. So if he sees you, he makes some distance and start shooting fire. So if I'm do everything correctly, so we get a better result. So let us check. So first of all, make this a little bit big so everyone can see. Here we need some changes. Actually I just changed the resolution 1920 1080. Okay, just now check it. Now he sees us and he tried to shoot us, but yeah, he don't shoot correctly, but nothing is spawned. Oh man, let's check what I miss. Actually I think we missed something. $1400. Let me check what's going on. Stop fire. If it is active, he just, and firing is stop. Why firing is stop? Let me check. Stop firing. If it is failed, just make this, and we just quickly check it over here. Is everything is okay or not? 2000. Okay, okay, okay. Detectors okay, active. And so we just need to check it again. Now first we need to, where is, let he just detect us, but he don't shoot us on the right. He quickly move. Wait a second. 1600. We just need to check it what we are missing. Oh sorry, actually we just do this. We just firing, and in both cases we just check this. So if it is active, it is true. If it is not active, we can if he fails, so just go and check it again. Sometime live debugging. Yeah, so now we out of his vision, so now he don't see us. So if he sees us, he again shoot us. Okay, if you think this is not working, you can tweak this values. Maybe I increase this here in my test project. I use this values, I think. So yeah, you can tweak this value so your AI fire correctly in randomize in randomized time. So you can tweak this value if you want, or you can just uh, make a delay kind of thing if you want, but this work fine, I think. So you just need to just don't do this, you just need to go false also. So that's bugs you. Yeah. And we just check it again. If he sees us, now he sees us and he's try to shoot us, but we are behind the wall. He tried to shoot it. Oh man, he find us. Now he try to close me because I give that kind of code, because whenever he stops shooting, his radius is down, okay, around 100. So he try to close with the player, because it will always firing on hunt, on hunt, on hunt. So he will on success and fail both check. And he also checked this because we set before this here. So if we are out of his line, side of line, so he try to take over close to player position. And let's check it again. Yeah, if I am going here, so now he tried to come and he is going to back. So this is very good thing, because pawn sensing don't give you that kind of thing. If you want to see, I can show you. Pawn sensing don't give you, if your player is behind the wall, he don't understand, he don't want to off this, so you can't use this. So you can use this code to, if your player is behind the wall, so he tried to find your location. And after this we are going to set this AI more, we give this AI more sense maybe in future videos. But right now, thank you guys, hope this will help you into your project. So thank you guys, and please give me the like if you like my videos. I really appreciate, and I give you more tutorial as soon as possible, and I try to finish this series as soon as possible, because I already have 2 games on the pipeline, and my client don't have much time to they need to show their demos in somewhere to launch his game. So that's take my most of the time. So thank you guys, so please appreciate my videos. And whenever my 3,000 subscribers cross, I give you some good projects free. So quickly subscribe me if you are new. You need to subscribe my channel and support me if you want, and you can join also my FB page also. So thank you guys, goodbye, peace, see you.